It wasn't working. I have 2 female finches after all. Good. Good, good. They're darling. So even though I lost a female finch, I've got 2 cross-billed finches left. Get down, ladies. Get down, ladies. What's that? I've got another female over my head. I got girls. Oh, is that a young male? No, that's a girl. Where's she? Oh, there she is. I think it's her. What's that? Oh, that's a... Oh, I cannot think of the name. Silly birds. She crazy. I wonder why water goes down so fast. The little birds are afraid to get in there. They want to. The finches are 3 times their size. I cannot think of the name of them. Oh, it's driving me nuts. I always know their name, but today I don't. Not a titmouse. The other things that are really common. Oops. Little sparrow. Nuthatch. There it is. Red-breasted nuthatches. Sometimes I have white-breasted nuthatches. There's one. Oh, bath time for her too.